In this video, I'll show you how you can deactivate your Roblox account. Now first you want to head over to roblox.com, log into your account, click on the cogwheel and go to settings. In here you should head over to privacy, scroll all the way to the bottom, and from in here you should see account deactivation. Now if you click on deactivate right here, it's gonna tell you what happens, and this basically means that your account will be hidden and it's gonna look like your account is gone, like your account is hidden, all your Roblox marketplace is hidden, friends cannot see you and stuff like this. But you can actually get your account back if you want. So if you press deactivate here, you will be hidden and you cannot play or anything. But if you want, you can activate your account again if you want it back. Now you can also completely delete your account so you can never use it again by heading over to roblox.com/support. Choose this one, category, I want to delete my account. And then in here you want to tell them I want to permanently delete my account, not just deactivate it. I want to delete it fully. Fill in here and press continue. Now those are the ways that you can deactivate or delete your account. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.